Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 29th, 2025, and we're diving into Spotify's latest earnings report for Q1 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Spotify's Q1 2025 report is packed with insights, and I'm excited to break it down for our viewers.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Spotify reported a total revenue of €4.2 billion for Q1 2025, which is a 15% increase year over year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 16% increase in premium revenue thanks to subscriber gains and higher average revenue per user. Additionally, ad-supported revenue grew by 8%, supported by music and podcast advertising. Despite currency headwinds, Spotify managed to maintain strong revenue growth.
And what about profitability?
Spotify's gross margin reached a Q1 high of 31.6%, up 403 basis points year over year. Operating income also hit a record high of €509 million, reflecting improved cost management and operational efficiencies. Free cash flow was robust at €534 million, underscoring Spotify's strong financial position.
User growth and engagement. Spotify's user metrics are always a focal point. How did they perform in Q1 2025?
Spotify's total monthly active users reached 678 million, marking a 10% year-over-year increase. Premium subscribers grew by 12% to 268 million, with net additions of 5 million, significantly outperforming guidance. Ad-supported MAUs were stable at 423 million, reflecting Spotify's strong user engagement across its platform.
What does this mean for Spotify's market position?
These numbers indicate that Spotify continues to expand its user base effectively, maintaining its leadership in the streaming market. The growth in premium subscribers is particularly encouraging, as it directly contributes to revenue and profitability.
Strategic initiatives and product developments. Spotify has been active on the strategic front. Can you tell us about their recent initiatives?
Spotify has expanded its partner program to 9 new markets, enhancing opportunities for video podcast creators. They've also launched the Concerts Near You playlist, which helps users discover local concerts based on their listening habits. Additionally, Spotify has strengthened its ad exchange partnerships, now including major players like Google's DV360 and LiveRamp, which will likely boost their advertising revenue.
How do these initiatives align with Spotify's long-term strategy?
These initiatives are aligned with Spotify's goal to diversify its revenue streams and enhance user engagement. By expanding its creator tools and improving ad solutions, Spotify is positioning itself to capture more value from its vast user base and content ecosystem.
Financial outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, what is Spotify's guidance for Q2 2025?
Spotify expects total revenue of €4.3 billion, with a gross margin of 31.5%. They anticipate operating income of €539 million, incorporating social charges based on current share prices. The company also projects total MAUs to reach 689 million, indicating continued user growth.
What are the key risks to this outlook?
Currency fluctuations remain a significant risk, as they can impact revenue and profitability. Additionally, competitive pressures in the streaming market could affect user growth and engagement. However, Spotify's strategic initiatives and strong financial position provide a solid foundation to navigate these challenges.
Key takeaways. In summary, Spotify delivered a strong performance in Q1 2025 with impressive revenue growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and user engagement metrics are promising for future growth. John, any final thoughts?
Spotify's ability to grow its user base and enhance its product offerings is commendable. While there are risks, the company's strategic direction and financial health position it well for continued success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Spotify's performance in the comments below.